Okay. Next topic is elements of compound curve or relationship between parts of compound curve. Okay. So this is a diagram where T1B is a tangent. It is a TS. See, before that I'll just explain what is this figure is about. The above figure is a two-centered compound curve having two circular arcs, that is T1D and T2D, meeting at a common point D, which is known as PCC. That is point of compound curve curvature. That is, see, these are two circular curves. That is two simple curves. So the definition of the compound curve is it consists of two simple curves, right, which is having two different radii, but this point of curvature, it is at the point of in the line of this common tangent itself. That means it is lying on the same side. Then this arc, that is T1D and T2D, meeting at a common point, that point is known as PCC. PCC is nothing but point of compound curvature, and T1 here, this point, that is PC, it is known as point of commencement of the curve, and PT, it is known as point of tangency. Okay, so here see elements of compound curve. Elements of compound curve is nothing but whatever the elements of this curve it is there, no, you need to explain it. If they are asking for relationship, then we need to explain this entire part. Okay, let us first explain you the elements. So we came to know these are the two arcs meeting at a point D. That point is known as PCC, and T1 is known as point of curve, and T2 is known as point of tangent. And this O1 and O2 are the center of the curvature, and this RS, R is nothing but radius. The substitute, yes, RS is nothing but the radius of small curve, and RL is nothing but the radius of long curve, and LS and LL are length of the small curve, length of the long curve, and this theta, it is nothing but known as deflection angle. And this small ts is, this is length of the tangent, that is T1 D1. So this, if this is a arc, this tangent for this small curve, for this small arc, which are the tangents T1D and D1 is a tangent. So in the similar way, for this long curve, that is DC, DD2 and T2D2 are the tangents. Okay, then the remaining is TS, capital TS. Capital TS is nothing but it is a total tangent distance, that is T1B, and TL is nothing but the total tangent length of total tangent distance of the long curve. This small L is long curve, and this S is short curve or a small curve. Okay, next. So here I have written T1 D1 is equal to D1D, that is these both tangents are equal. So these are this is the tangent of first arc, this both, and these two are the tangents of second arc, and these both are radius, and these all the points that I have explained now. This is till here, it is the elements of the compound curve. Okay, these all the specifications I have explained, what is that small TL, delta, DB, TL, TS and all, everything you need to write it. I will give the notes for this. Okay, let us come for now relationship. Okay, so coming to the relationship, so from this figure I will eliminate, that means this portion, above triangle, and this longest curve portion I will eliminate. When you eliminate, only you can see here, when you eliminate this portion and upper triangular portion, only this portion, that means only this portion you can see, that is I have written this side. So if you consider